Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make evening snacks with chana dal. I have taken soaked chana dal, about 250 grams. Taken some garlic, I have cut them up. 3 to 4 chilies, green chilies, and about 10 small onions I have taken. Today I am going to mix all this and make the chana dal ki pakodi. So first of all, this soaked chana dal, I am going to grind it in the mixie jar. So come on, let us start the recipe. If you are new to my channel, please like, comment, share, subscribe. I have ground the chana dal. Now I am going to put this in one container. Put the onions which I have sliced up. Put the garlic also. Put the cut up chilies. Put some turmeric powder. Put some salt to taste and mix it well. I have mixed up the mixture well. Now I am going to make the pakoris. Now come on, let us make the pakoris. Put some refined oil. Let the oil turn hot. The oil is turned hot. Now I'll make the pakoris. One side the pakoris are turned brown. Now I will turn them. Now the other side also will cook nicely. The pakoris are turned brown. You can see them, how nice it's looking. See the pakoris? Now I'll take them out. In the same process, I will fry all the pakoris. The pakoris are fried up. You can see how nicely it's cooked up also inside. You can have it with sauce. Children also love to eat pakoris. Thank you for watching my video.